what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Let me know what you guys think of the video quality. I'm recording with the GoPro, and I just bought a microphone adapter. It should sound better than the regular GoPro mount, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Alright, broskies, so I just fueled up. Right now I'm gonna be heading out to Compton. I heard there's been a lot of violence in Long Beach, so it's a good thing, you know, that we're picking it up during daylight. I'm not sure what kind of car we're getting, but I guess I'll show you guys when we get there. But I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about a situation that happened to me yesterday. I wanted to get your opinion. Something happened yesterday, and I just want to know if I was in the right or the wrong. Basically, I delivered a car to a the address was like a smog shop, but in that smog shop location, there was the smog shop, and then right next to it was, or behind it was, a muffler shop, and then right next to it, like basically all in the same location, there was a like some backyard mechanics. And so I get there and I think to myself, I'm like, oh, it's probably not the smog shop. So I asked the guys at the garage, the little garage, and I asked them, I tell them, hey, is this car for you guys? Because I didn't know, like they just told me take the car there to that location, and that's it. They didn't tell me who to talk to. They didn't tell me, they didn't give me a phone number or anything. So I assume, you know, it's the guys from the little garage, and they're like, oh, you know, we don't know anything, you know. They were. I asked them politely. I'm like, is this car for you guys? Were you guys expecting this car? And they're like, no, we weren't. But let me make a phone call. And so they're calling, and then I make a phone call. And then the dude that sent me, he's basically like, let me call the owner of the car and then make sure. So as I'm waiting, I decide to ask the guys at the muffler shop. And then the guy at the muffler shop, he's like, I don't, who's is it for? I'm like, well, I don't know, bro. Like, I'm waiting on a call to, you know, to make sure who's is it for, you know? And then he's like, oh, okay, I think it's for me. But this dude was eating, you know? So I'm like, I didn't really want to ask him because he was eating, you know? So he gets up, and then he's like, yeah, well, I think it's for me. And I'm like, all right, cool. So keep in mind, I had already unloaded the car in the street. Like I didn't throw it in the location because I didn't know if it was going to the mechanic, the muffler shop, or the smog shop. So the car's already unloaded in the street, and basically he's like, well, aren't you gonna put it, like in a mean way, he told me, he's like, hey, aren't you gonna put it inside my shop? I'm like, I don't know, bro. Like at this point, I'm like, what the hell, you know? Like he told me in a like weird tone, you know. And then I'm like, well, I'm just a tow guy, bro. And then in a way, like louder tone, he's like, well, that's your responsibility to bring it inside my shop, right? And I'm like, I just looked at him, and I'm like, inside of my head, I'm like, bitch, what the fuck? And then, but I was like, even though like he told me that, I didn't like, I just walked away. I tried to push the car all the way up. The driveway was kind of steep, so I tried to push it, broskies. I tried to push it up all the way, and I just made it like halfway on the driveway. So I put it in park. I left the keys in the ignition, and I just drove off. But broski's like, I kind of felt like, I was like, what the hell? Like the way he talked to me, I was like, hell no, ain't nobody gonna talk to me like that, you know? And I kept thinking to myself, I'm like, was I like in the wrong, or was he in the wrong? Like, cause like right away, like my instinct was like, fuck you, you know? Like I ain't gonna do that shit. Like don't talk to me like that, bro. And then so I did that. I took off, and then I hit up the guy. I'm like, hey, you know what? Like this guy, this happened. This guy talked to me like that. I tried putting it up inside his shop, but I couldn't, you know. It was a steep driveway, so I just left it, you know. I just left it there and took off. But broski's like I'm the type that, I'll help anybody, you know. Like I wasn't gonna like say no if he would have asked me, hey bro, can you help me push it in? I would have said, hell yeah, bro, like I'll help you, don't trip. But the way he talked to me, I was like, fuck this fool, you know, like I ain't gonna do that shit. That was the first time somebody talked to me like that, especially on the tow, you know. If he would have asked politely, like, hey bro, you know, can you help me push the car? Can you help me bring the car inside? I'm like the only one here. I would have said, hell yeah, bro, like don't trip, I got you. Pero the way he fucking like talked to me, I was like, no mames, I ain't your fucking. Well, I don't know what the fuck he thought, or I don't know. Maybe he was in the. Maybe he was not in the mood. Maybe he got mad because he was eating. I don't know what the hell, but yeah, broskis. I don't know, man. Una mamalona. It was a freaking motorcycle. Highway! Oh shit! I got a flat, broskis. No way! I got a flat. I'm pulling over. Shit. Ya nomás. Yeah, I can fix it. I'm just gonna put air real quick and then I'm gonna move to the side and fix it. But I hear the leak right here somewhere. Right here, look. And it happened right after the accident. There you go. Good as new. After these plugs, put it in work. Oh, my phone fell off. So yeah, broskis, this is what I go through every day. Damn, this thing likes it. Check it out, broskis. So we're picking up an E30. Mira nomás. That shell. Chingón esta madre. And then we're gonna take a motor too. Just land it, and then we'll take off we'll take it off the car. Yeah. Motor's all strapped up, ready to go. And chinguiza, broskis, let's get it. Check it out. I actually stopped to take a piss, but got them waters on deck. It's really hot. Like, and it's already like 6 p.m. Whew. Alright, broskis, just dropped off that E30. Now we're gonna head out to Perry's, California. It says we are 55 minutes away from Whittier. Let's get it, boys. Hey, broski, so far the plug has been holding up. We good. Pásale, señora. Pásale. Pásale, ándele. Mira nomás. Nothing out here, broskis. Nothing. Nada. Pura pinche tierra. Alright, let me roll up my windows. I want to talk to you guys again. A lot of you have been asking where has the C6 Corvette been at. and we might have a update video pretty soon on that. I just don't want to say much right now, but it's coming, broskies. I still have it. No agüiten. I really want to drive that thing already, honestly. It's been 6 months or 7, almost 8, I think. It's crazy, broskies, but yeah, update video pretty soon. Broskies, on the second location, I think we're picking up a 240 for some chick. Ahorita vemos qué pedo when we get there. Hopefully we still have some light, some daylight, because it's getting kind of dark, and this GoPro doesn't have good lighting at night. Alright, broskies, we're pulling up. You can see my little microphone right here. Oh, sick. Look at that pink ass S13. Vamos que pedo. We hear the broskies. Oh, it's a bird. Damn, big ass houses around here. Broskies, watch all my videos. I want to buy a house like this. Mira nomás. Beautiful. I mean, obviously, I'm willing to work for it, but mira. That's the ultimate goal. Looks pretty clean. A little dusty because of all the dirt around, but looks chingon. Damn. Se mira el... Oh, there you go. It's because I have a little mic and you can see the little fuzz. But alright, broskies, here is the S13. It's a little vert with MB battles. It's all stock. And we got the bumpers right here. And I got one more bumper right here. I just didn't want to throw it in there because I was gonna get scratched. But you guys know, this is going to Stanton. Oh, I'm tired, broskies. And then I still gotta pick up another car after this, so. But I don't know if I'll film it because, like I said, the lighting on the GoPro is pretty shit. So, a ver qué pedo. Alright, broskies, last pickup of the day. I'm over here in San Diego. I was already going home like at 9, and then one of the homies hit me up. He's like, hey, I just bought a S13 with the Silvio front, SR20. I bought it in San Diego. Come and get me, dog. I'm like, for sure, let's go, let's get it. So I just picked up the car. It's gonna be 12, and we'll be home like at 1:10. So yeah, broskies, it was a busy day today. Let me see if I can pump some diesel right there. Fuck, it's a little expensive. Fuck it, I'm gonna stop by just so I can show you guys the car, and then I'll fill up the tank right now. I'm just gonna pour like 30 bucks or 20 bucks because diesel right here is $3.35. I usually get it at $2.79, so I'm only gonna pump like 30 bucks. I should be able to make it with that. Check it out. Broskies, this is the car. Mira nomás. It's a coupe, and I think it has an SR20. Silvia boys. It's got like 10 different wheels. Hey, how many wheels does it have? Like different. Came with extra parts. Check it out. It's got those bar stones, and then it's got these other ones. No, it's diesel, bro. Well, you're gonna use the green one. I would have needed a tow, bro. The guy never drove it or what?
For a couple years.
Couple years? Whoa. No mames. Oh yeah? Let's pop the hood. Check it out. Wow, he pumps gas. Damn. Oh my god, is this a 2JZ, bro? Damn, I missed my SR20. Broski, should I go SR20 on my troquita or what? Yeah, she's all dirty though. Pinche yonke.
drive.
What's up? Cool little car.
If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to drop a like. It helps out the videos, and subscribe if you guys are new. There's a lot of people that watches the videos. Like there's
In 5.2 miles, turn right to merge onto I-15
YouTube basically tells you like who like how many of my subscribers watches the videos, and then how many people that are not subscribed watches the videos. And broski's, it's only like 10% of the, or not even 10% of my subscribers that watches my videos. It's more like 90% of like random ass people watching the videos. But you guys are not subscribing. Come on, broski's, let's get it. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.